Okay, so we've done addition, we're going to do subtraction. A minus B. Well, technically it's the same as addition because you're going A add minus B, but we'll come to that. Okay, so A minus B, let's have a think about this. Let's just think about 2,846 take away 1,986. Okay, and before we start, we just have a look at it. We've got something that's nearly 3,000, take away something that's nearly 2,000. So we're going to have about 1,000. Rough figures, we're going to have about 1,000. In particular positive, because this number is bigger than this one, so we don't have any negative numbers there. Okay, so again, we start at the left-hand side. 6 and 6 is 12. Oh no, that's addition. We're doing subtraction. 6, it says it there. It says it there. 6 take away 6 is 0. 4 take away 8, you can't do it. So the way I've been taught, which kind of works, is to borrow 1 from there and make that 14. It's kind of obvious what's going on in a way. What you're doing is you're robbing this one. You're subtracting 1 here, but this column's worth 10 times the one to the right of it. It's just the same thing as the carry digit when you're adding. So we're not changing by this operation here of changing that 8 to a 7 and that 4 to a 14. We've not altered the value of that number. So it's almost as if the number, well, it is. The number of thousands is 2,000, the number of hundreds is 700, the number of tens is 14, and the number of units is 6. And that's the same thing as 2,846, 2,000s, 800s, 4 tens, and 6 units. All you've done is shuffle, you just rearranged how you write it down, basically. So now we can do this digit. We can do 14 take away 8 is just 6. 7 take away 9, again, 7 take away 9, again you can't do it. So you take away 1 from here and add it onto there and make it 17. Now we've changed this 8 twice. We've changed it 1 to 7 because we took one of these guys and they were worth 10 times as many as that. And now we've gone up to 17 because we've borrowed from here. 17 take away 9 is easy. And here we've got 1 take away 1 is 0. I guess so you don't need to write that down. So there's your answer. 2,846 take away, just get rid of that. Take away 1,986 equals 860. Now I said right at the beginning it's about 1,000 and it's 860, so that's alright. That's close enough for government work. Now, the crucial thing with subtraction is that what I'm going to do is verify. I'm going to check, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my answer 860 and I'm going to add it to 1,986. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from here and I've subtracted 1,986 to get this, and what I'm going to do is add that 1,986 back on again, and I should get back to where I started. It's like if I'm moving up and down this sort of number line here. I'll start here, I'm subtracting off 1,986 to get back. I may as well write the numbers down. 2,846, 860. So I'm subtracting 1,986 by climbing down there, and now I'm just going to add it back on again. So I'm going to add, there's my answer, plus 1,986. Let's just do that and see what we get. 6 and 8 is 14, 4 down, 1 to carry. 9 and 1 is 10 and 8 is 18. 1 to carry, 2,846. And it a better match? Yes it does, there it is. Bum, 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 bum. There you go. So we've got this nice little verification that it works. The other thing to notice is that this operation of carrying is mirrored, or well, at least the operation of this borrowing and recasting here is mirrored in the inverse operation there. So I think that's a good habit to get into. Whenever you get an answer like that, just verify it and that kind of helps your understanding, helps you check that your work's right, helps you get marks in exams. Okay, I'm going to stop there.